looks good. Let me grab a clean, man, I make messes everywhere. I was craving something sweet today, so I decided to make this no-bake dessert. I'm not sure if it's gonna turn out or not, but we'll give it a shot. Okay, so we'll start with some cottage cheese. I know, I don't like it either, but we're trying this because everybody raves about this dessert. Oh, I thought this was open. Okay. All right, we'll put a cup of cottage cheese into the blender. Hopefully this turns out. Hate throwing stuff in the garbage. This is a lot of cottage cheese. All right, without spilling. Okay, now we're gonna put some cocoa. We're gonna start with 1 tablespoon, and then if we need more, we can add more. And then we'll put 3 tablespoons of honey in. And then 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And we blend. Cross our fingers and see if this is going to be good. Okay, it seems like I gotta shake it a bit. Of course, the cottage cheese is giving me grief. All right, try this again. Okay, let's try this. I'm not sure if it's mixed all the way through, but we will try anyway. Oh, it looks good. Let me grab a clean, man, I make messes everywhere. All right, I have to grab a clean spoon. Looks good. Smells good. I don't think it needs any more cocoa. And I think it needs to be refrigerated because it's warm. It's not bad, actually. I think I'm going to refrigerate it for like an hour and see how it turns out. We will be back. Okay, so it was just in the freezer for 10 minutes, so let's just give it a quick mix. give it another shot. You know what, it's pretty good. I'm not sure what to think because I've never had chocolate mousse before, and that's what this is. But you know what? It's very high in protein. It's like 50 grams of protein and only 194 calories. I don't know if that makes any difference to you, but I don't know. It's not bad, like it's not horrible. I don't know. Give it a shot and let me know what you guys think about it. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you in the next video.